Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add to wishlist on AliExpress. Here's how to add items to your wishlist on AliExpress web app. The first thing you need to do is to visit the AliExpress website using any browser of your choice. Now, you can visit the website at aliexpress.com. Once you get in there, log in using your account credentials. Once you sign in, you're going to have to browse for the product you want to add to your wish list by using the search bar at the top corner or navigating through categories in here. Let's say this is a category and I want accessories because I love accessories. The accessories page is opening. So let's say I need trendy hair clips for my hair. Now go ahead and look for any item that you like. Once you click on it, so click on it to open the product details page, which you have in here. Now on the product page, you'll see a heart-shaped icon near the products. So this is it, heart-shaped icon under add to cart. Click on this heart-shaped icon and it's going to add it to your wish list. So once you click on the heart-shaped icon, that's it. It's been added to your wish list. So how do you know that it has been added to your wish list? To view your wish list, hover over your profile icon in the top right corner of the page, which is here, and select wish list from the drop-down menu. Once you click on that, it's going to take you over to your wish list page. Now, all of the items that you have saved by clicking on the heart icon will be displayed in the wish list page, which of course is opening up. Okay, so currently our wish list page is under maintenance, but if this problem has been fixed in your end, you're definitely going to find all the items you've saved in here. So in your wish list, you can add items to your cart or remove them by clicking the heart icon once again. So once you click on the heart icon next to the item, it's going to be removed from your wish list. That's it. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.